Hi, Josh, co-founder at Eden here, and today I'm excited to introduce a new application of the Eden Instant Quote. It's a game changer that lets you capture every replacement opportunity from service calls, including the ones that you might have been missing until now. So, what is it and how does it work? We're rolling out two ways for technicians to seamlessly share the Instant Quote to homeowners during maintenance and service calls, and especially when they think a homeowner might be due for a replacement. Both work pretty much in the same way. So the first one is NFC cards. Essentially, texts carry a NFC card that's encoded with a unique URL to your instant quote. And all you need to do is just tap this to the homeowner's phone to access the instant quote. Super straightforward. The second is a mobile wallet type QR code. So think about it like those mobile boarding passes for airplanes. Techs store the QR code link in their iPhone or Android and simply access it in the home, and homeowners just scan it like they would do any other QR code. So the delivery is super straightforward. Now, what we are really excited about here is that we're implementing individualized tracking. And what this means is that you're able to attribute replacement leads directly to the individual technician. So if you have spiffs or compensation schemes, it's a great way to motivate the team to share the instant quote with replacement prospects. The second thing is that with all wallet passes, Google or Android, these are going to be customized with your logo and your brand colors for that professional look. Now, where we're going with this is essentially making Eden into your ultimate mousetrap. We want you to get the most value out of the tool, so there is no additional cost for this. Fundamentally, we think about this as a new channel for lead generation. It enables your text to share the instant quote seamlessly with homeowners, and it's especially ideal for non-selling texts to contribute to sales without that sort of added pressure on the homeowner. Finally, the more leads that you send through this, the more we're able to use that for retargeting ads to high purchase intent customers, get that flywheel turning. So if you are interested in rolling this out with us, give us a shout. Our emails are here, or feel free to reach out to Christine, Alex, myself, or anybody else on the team. And we are looking forward to rolling this out.